Good morning. Headed to work. Got the opening shift. Gonna try to get out of here on time because I'm going to an Angels game again tonight. They've been killing it. Love it. Love it. Love to see it. But regardless, I'm gonna watch the game. I'll bring you guys with me. Just got off work. Heading home. Gonna get ready for the game. Gonna try to get an oil change actually before I go to the game, but we'll see if I have enough time. It's 2:56. Game's at 6:30. Gonna see if I can get everything done, but might be pushing it. So Cardi, gonna get the oil change done and try to make it to the game on time. That's what we got. You good? Relax. Look at the back muscles right there.
40 ounces, pouring like a fountain. Numbers in my head from the money that I'm counting. Bad bitch, give me head while I'm sipping 40 ounces. While I'm sipping. 40 ounces, pouring like a fountain. Numbers in my head from the money that I'm counting. Bad bitch, give me head while I'm sipping 40 ounces. While I'm sipping. Got him in love with the sound. Bet you they fuck with me now. Why they hating my bank account? Looking amazing, good luck keeping up with me now. I think she in love with the sound. Since shots, that's another one down. No, I'm not fucking around. Open this 40 and drown. Open this 40 and Go. That's right. Oh! No, pues, ¿qué piensas del juego? ¿Qué? No, pues venimos aquí a perderle la madre a los Angels y ayer nos partieron la madre, pero ahora regresamos con un vergazo. Ah, sí, muy bien, sí, ok. Sí, vamos a regalar a Texas ahorita, pero sí, les partimos la madre, culero. Valió verga, perdimos. Malt liquor, sipping since a like malt liquor, sipping since a shorty. You could say I evolved quicker. Used to fantasize about the life from which I have been deprived. Regretting this dark liquor when hell of a dark mixture. I wish that we could ride, peel off in a Porsche with you. Feel pain from deep inside. Yeah, that's where it resides. I think it's harder to find peace of mind than it is to grip a bottle for just $3.99. I wish I could go back then, before all of this rap shit. I used to kick back with my older bro in the neighborhood, bad kids, always up to some antics. First time I held a strap was when the homie was packing. Forgot to wipe my prints with a napkin. Oh man, I was...
Oil change number 2, late night.
Slacking, wasn't into all that shit. I just wanted to fit in, no gymnastics. Cause odds of me making it were slim chances. A hopeless romantic paradise, used to dream about that shit. I wonder what it's like, I'm really fiending for that shit. I listen to rap cause it paints a picture for me when no one believed I'm seeing all that shit. And the pain that I felt, they don't be feeling all that shit. I'm slumped with a bad bitch, something like Kourtney Kardashian. I find it hard to imagine more to life than filling a casket. Hit the blunt and then I'm flicking the